Okay guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Xentec or Intec, or however most people say them. A lot of people pronounce them in different ways, so it's however you prefer to say it. Now these were HIDs you can be getting off eBay, Amazon, and they actually pretty cheap. Now I bet you're wondering, are they any good? Well, that's what this review video is for. I've been running HIDs for since I was 16. When they first came out, they streamed $400. They was outrageous. And as the technology, I guess, progressed and got more available, they went down in price. Now they affordable for anybody. This brand right here actually has done me pretty good. I have in this my personal daily driver truck behind me. I say since I had the truck, and I had the truck for many years, I have been through 3 sets of HIDs. One bulb and 2 balances has went out, and I just end up buying a whole new set because you can get them cheaper that way. I think a better deal. You can get a whole set for like $30, or you can buy a ballast for like $12, or you can buy a bulb for $12. Just buy the set and then put the other stuff up for spares. That's what I always do. As I'm back to the review point, the color does fade over time, so after about 3 years of use, your headlights ain't gonna be as bright as they used to be. After about a year's worth of use, you can tell the color will go down. That's just something to look for, but if color's what you're going for and a statement, then they're a good deal. They are. Like I said, I have been through 3 sets, like I said, in 8 years. So I can't complain. I just installed a new set in the truck. There's a video on that on my YouTube channel. You can go check it out. This is the review portion. They also unboxing video of this kit. You can go check this brand out in the link of the description. Now they have changed some since the last time I bought a set, as in the install video I compared the side by side, the same brand, the same ballast, but different design. And check that out for sure. But I just hope if you think about buying a set of HIDs, do try this brand out. They're great, and you shouldn't be disappointed. I mean, if you're disappointed after 3 years and you have to buy a new set, then, well, I don't know how can anybody please you. I feel sorry for you. But 3 years of use and then have trouble out of one headlight with one ballast, then that's normal. Now, I have had these on ATVs before. I have 700 Raptor, a Blaster, a Banshee, and a couple more. Actually, here's a picture of the Raptor with HIDs. Now, if you want to know how I made that work out, I might make a video for you later on, of course. But now, I put them to the test. They have been in water. They have been sunk up in mud. They have basically been bounced around out there on the trail and everything, and they still held up. Also, quick side note, check all your local laws and restrictions, because HIDs may be illegal in your area, so always check into that. So let's continue with the video. Same brand. They just wasn't the films, they was the big square boxes. But that's all I can say. I mean, if you think about buying HIDs, buy this set. Also, drop a like on this video. Check out the channel for more content. Be sure to subscribe. I upload daily. I appreciate it if you do become a subscriber. And for you, those of you who are watching, thank you for watching. And until the next video, I'll see you then. Take care and bye-bye now.